Hello, hello, my dear friends. Anyone is in live? Good evening, Divyansh. Good evening. Anyone is in live? Good evening, everyone. Anyone is in live? If anyone is in live, yes, Vaishnavi. Good evening. But అమ్మా వైష్ణవి ఇది నీ కోసం కాదమ్మా, ఇది సెకండ్ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్గానిక్ అడ్వాన్స్ పీవైక్యూస్. మనది మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ సెషన్ టుమారో వీ కెన్ సి. రేపు పెడతానులే. ఓకే, రైట్. Good evening, good evening, Dinesh. Good evening. Still anyone is in live? This is for second year, Sama. Vaishnavi, you can carry on solving the mole concept and states of matter. Okay, na? This second year solve kosam. Now, still anyone is in live? If anyone is in the live, just say me hi, so that I get to know that the one who are in the live, so I can start the question sessions. My dear friends, this is very lengthy advanced questions, right? Only the thing you have to do is, if you know the answer, or truly if you know, if you are trying, then hi. No, Akash, no, there is no class for the juniors today. No class for the juniors today. Today the class is for the seniors. Now, hello, Praneeth, hello, fine. Good evening, Patel, good evening. Now, right, now we'll start with the questions, my dear friends. Now, only the questions I brought for only the 3 chapters, like GOC, hydrocarbons and alkyne alanines. Hi Patel, hi. I am fine, Praneeth, I am fine. Now, see, my dear friends, the whatever the questions I brought, these questions are of only from the GOC, hydrocarbon and the alkyne alanine. Tomorrow we'll see the alcohols, phenols, carboxylic acids and the amines and biomolecules. And the day after tomorrow, complete advanced pattern of the questions of 7 chapters. 7. Now this 4 and 7. Okay. Now I am going to start the questions. Now if you know the answers, my dear friends, I was not from the IITN, but I was from the good state university, that is a Usmania University, right? Now see the question. Now they were given the one question, and what is the answer? I hope the question and the video and the audio is clear. I hope the video and the audio is clear. Hi Arsh Kumar, hi. Right, now try to give me the answer. Now the product is acetal, and ether and ester. The product is acetal or acetal and ether. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yeah, once again you cross check, my dear friend. Once again you cross check. Once again you cross check. See, this is the alcohol, right? This is the alcohol. RCH2, O minus and H plus. Now here see, if I shift this pi bond, I can shift to the 1 number carbon, I can shift to the 2 number carbon. If 2 number carbon, if it I shift, that is stable, or if I shift to the 1 number carbon, if this pi bond rotation should be of the 1 to from the 2 number carbon or 1 number carbon, 2 number carbon or 1 number carbon. That if it is clear, you will get the answer. If it is clear for you, that you will get the answer. Good evening, Jatin. Good evening. Shifting to the 2 is more stable, right? Then if it is shifting to the 2, if it is more stable, here the hydrogen will be added. Then here the OCH2 and here it is a R, right? And here it is a S. Now, which group it is here? Which group it is here? Now, it is an acetal, right? This is acetal, right? What is the acetal group? It should be the OR and one H and one is R. This is acetal group, right? How come the acetal will come? This is acetal. You have to be very careful with this one. Don't get confused with the structures. This is acetal. Is it clear? If it is shifted to, suppose if it is shifted to the 1 number carbon, then 1 number carbon, what it will happen? Oxygen lone pair of electron and this negative charge will get the repulsion. So shifting of the 2 number carbon is only the stable. So when it is shifted to the 2 number carbon, here the 2 number carbon will get the which are negative charge. Hydrogen will go and attack. Here it will get the positive charge and this is a nucleophile. It will go and attack and this is a OR. OR and here it is a one OR. You can see this carbon and here it is also one OR. Right, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Clear? My dear friends, is it clear? The answer is clear. Should I move to the next question or should I explain once again? Clear, right? No. Now what is the answer for this one? Which of the following is stable is asking. Which of the following is stable is asking. Which of the following is stable at room temperature? At 25 degrees. Sorry, which of the following is unstable? Unstable at room temperature. Sorry. Unstable. Not stable, unstable. Which of the following? Mannath, once again you cross check. My dear Jatin, what you want to ask? No, you just give me the answer, then I will give you whatever the answer. My dear friends, don't ask me. Just you lock your answer and say me whether it is a correct or not. I will say. Jatin, my dear friend, something you are going to ask, that is, how many have you thought, sir? What? I did not get you. The answer is A. He is asking unstable. Unstable at room temperature. Indirectly is asking about the anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic indirectly is asking. Now cyclobutadiene is anti-aromatic. Now benzene is a aromatic. Cyclohexane is a what? Non-aromatic. May I know naphthalene 2-ol-8? May I know what is the name of this compound? My dear friend, don't see in the Google and don't say. If you know, say me, but if not, just give me the question mark. But don't see any in the. This is non-aromatic, not anti-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. My dear friends, don't see in the Google and say me. Okay, if you know, genuinely try to say me. May I know what is the other than IUPAC? What is this compound? No, this one is nothing but beta naphthol. IUPAC name of the beta naphthol. This is the IUPAC name of the beta naphthol. This is IUPAC name of the beta naphthol. You have to remember. Naphthalene 2-olate is the what? Is the beta naphthol IUPAC name. So beta naphthol is the aromatic, benzene is aromatic, and cyclohexane is what? Non-aromatic. Now the stability order, if we see stability order, if you cross check, now the stability order will be the aromatic first, then non-aromatic, then last will be the anti-aromatic. Clear? Done? My dear friends, I was in this field. Now this is my 8th year, 7th completed 8th year it is running. This is the 8th years of my teaching it is running. Right. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for you. Cyclobutadiene is unstable at the room temperature. Right. Next one. This is single correct only. Which among the following is more acidic is asking. Which among the following is more acidic? Which among the following compound is more acidic? In order you say me. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And you say me the order also. My dear friend, order you say me. Acidic strength order from high to low. I am asking high to low. Order you say me. Order, high to low. Order, high to low. Order. Okay. Order you say me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. My dear friend, once again you cross check. But the whatever the order you have given, it is wrong. The one he has given 2 greater than, 3 greater than, 4 greater than 1 is wrong. Good evening, Abhinay. Good evening. But this order is wrong. Still any other order is possible? Interchange 194. 2 greater than, 3 greater than, 1 greater than 4. That is also wrong. Yes, my dear friend, I was from Hyderabad. Jitin, I was from Hyderabad. 2 greater than, 4 greater than, 3 greater than 1. Yes, good. Good, Amma Nagaksha, good. 2 greater than, 4 greater than, 3 greater than 1. This is correct. This is correct. My dear friend, this is hydroxy. Third one, it is a hydroxy. Para-hydroxy. Para-hydroxy, it is having the plus same effect. See, the first one will be the para-nitrophenol. This is a para-nitrophenol, first one. Second one will be the ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. Ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid is more acidic, we know, due to the ortho effect. This is 2. Right? Now third one, para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Right? This is 3. Now the fourth one, para-taulic acid. Para-taulic acid is nothing but para-methyl benzoic acid only. Good evening, Ahan. Good evening. Right? Now you see, this one will show the plus M effect, right? OH group will having the plus M effect, and this is having the plus I effect. Now among the plus M effect and the plus I effect, which one will decrease the acidic strength? For more plus M, right? So the order will be 2 greater than, 4 greater than, 3 greater than 1. Among the carboxylic acid and among the phenol, you can check, even though it is having the plus I groups, carboxylic acid or benzoic acids are having the more acidic than the which one? Phenol. You have to be very careful with this one. I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope it is clear. My dear friends, is it clear? Right. So don't be in hurry to give the answer. Don't be in the hurry to give the answer. Each and every option you just cross check. My dear friends, okay, whatever may be the misconceptions or whatever may be the topics you are not clear, just at the end of this lecture you just you can say me, I can help you. Okay, Jitin, but be focused to this lecture. Be focused to this lecture, and whatever may be the topics it has been not clear for you, that I am ready to explain for you, and I will make it clear for you. Now, the major product of the following reaction is, 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 now at the end of this session, I am ready to help you, and at the end of the session you can give me, you can say me what are the topics you are not clear and where you are getting lagging. There I am ready to explain for you. Okay, but still then you just focus for the lecture. Now the major product formed in the reaction B. My dear friend, once again you just cross check. Nagakshaya, B is wrong. B is wrong. Answer is C. Good. Ahan, good. Answer is C. CMA, this is which one? This is Lindlar's catalyst, right? This is which one? Birch reduction. Sodium in the presence of liquid ammonia is a Birch reduction, right? For the Birch reduction, we need the trans. This is cis, right? This is A is also trans, but how come here the geometry you will get? My dear friend, this question I was asked you in your class n number of times, and the same question you are doing the mistake for nth time. How come the Lindlar's catalyst it will give the cis and trans for the prop 19? How come the prop 19 but 19 will give you the cis and trans? How come it will give you the cis and trans? Major product is asking. There is no any cis and trans, only it is possible. Is asking major product formed in the reaction. Major product indirectly is asking the which one is a cis and trans. Here how come the cis and trans you can show you? How come you can show for the prop 19? You cannot show, right? There is no reaction only. So answer is C, because this C is a which one? It is a trans. This is cis, but here the no reaction it will be happen. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for you. Everyone, it is clear? Or still you are having any confusion? My dear friends, don't be in the don't be in hurry to give the answer. Don't be in the hurry to give the answer. My dear friends, advanced questions are very, 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 very easy. But in your hurriness, there will be somewhat small tricky will be there. Whichever you know the concept, that concept they will make it in the tricky. The trickiness you have to catch it. Don't be in hurry, don't be in the tension, or some other else are giving the answer. I was to give the answer first. Don't be. Here we are not running any competition. Okay, here we are not running the competition. Here we are teaching. I am making you to strengthen your concepts. That's it. Just try to strengthen, but don't be in the hurry to give the answer. Just see the question carefully and give the answer. Okay, right. The answer is C. This is Birch reduction, right? The product should be in the trans. So C is only the trans and the rest all are the cis. And here there is no any reaction. Here it will not reduce, because here there is no cis and trans will be exhibit. This question is very, 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 very interesting question. My dear friend, I will give you approx 3 minutes or 2 minutes for this question. Okay, I will give you approx 2 minutes for this question. Now the time is 9:38. So 9:41 I will ask the answer. I hope the question is clear for you. I hope the reagents and the questions it is clear for you. I hope the question and the reagents are clear for you. I hope the questions and everything are clear for you. My dear friends, I hope it is clear for you. First find the x as well as y, and he is asking what is the correct statement among this A, B, C, D. What is the correct statement represent to the product y? My dear friends, are you trying? My dear friends, are you trying? Are you trying this question? I hope the question is clear. Hi, who is this gaming? KK Gaming. I hope the video, that question is clear. Reagents, options, everything is clear. Once you say me. But dear friend, but you have seen this in the Singage, but it is somewhat tricky. I made the question tricky. This we did in the class also, but just I made it tricky somewhat. I hope the each and every option it is clear for you. Good evening, Murli. Good evening. Even though it is in Singlish, but the options are different. I know this is a Singlish question only, but it is somewhat different. The correct statement for the Y is asking for the product Y. You have to find the X and you have to find the Y, and the correct statement is asking for the Y. The correct statement is asking for the Y. My dear friends, the first reagents and the first questions, reagents are here up to here. Oh, sorry. I hope it is clear. My dear friends, organic chemistry is a very easy. Initially, you may feel the organic chemistry stuff, but once if you have finished your basics of GOC and hydrocarbon, now the more than the easiest topics or easiest concepts or easiest questions that you can get from the organic. Very easiest questions you will get from the organic, very toughest questions you will get from the organic. But without having the basics of GOC and hydrocarbon, none of the lecturer or none of the faculty will helpful for you. My dear friends, you have to be very careful for the answer A. Divyansh is trying. Okay, my dear Divyansh. Okay, fine. You are trying your answer and you are saying A. My dear friend, once again you cross check. Divyansh, my dear friends, you can cross check. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Just each and every option you just cross check and say me the answer. My dear friend, something fat cheese, something. I don't know. What is your name? My dear friend, that cheese or chess? Now, fat cheese, something you are having. Name, I don't know. Just, my dear friend, may I know your name? My dear friends, almost you have took the 5 minutes for this question. Still you are trying. For one question, you are taking the 5 minutes. Should I explain? Should I explain? Did you got the products? Did you got the products? Okay, Rahul, okay. Rahul, don't skip the GOC and hydrocarbon. Already we have did the very beautiful lectures in my channel, GOC and the hydrocarbons. Once you cross check and whatever the basics or whatever the concepts you have missed that you can overcome from the lectures which I was did in my channel. You can go and see over there. You are not getting. Whether you got the X and Y? Whether you got the X and Y? My dear friends, the one who are in the live, once say me whether you got the X and Y or not. Whether you got the X and Y or not. My dear friends, should I say the X and Y? Should I say the X and Y? So not good. Okay. Wait, I will explain. Now, what he has given? Wait, let me check. See, the X he has given, this is a OH, and here it is a triple bond, and here it is a H. Means here this is a one carbon, this is one carbon, this is one carbon, and this is one carbon. Now first one he has given the sodium amide in the excess. Now due to the presence of sodium amide in the excess, what it will happen? Now what it will happen? This H it will gone. Now here it will get the Na plus. Right, here the oxygen it is having the acidic hydrogen, it will replace the acidic base, right? Base will be readily taken the which one? acidic hydrogen. Now here it will get the Na plus, right? Then after that what we are having? Next one, what we are having? Next we are having the CH3, right? CH3H2. Now the CH3H2. Now this CH3H2, what it will do? The CH3H2, next reagent CH3 ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide, what it will do? Now the Na plus and this I minus, it will be eliminated, right? This Na plus and this I minus, it will be eliminated. Now this carbon, again what it will get? You will get it as a ethyl. You will get it as a ethyl, right? You will get it the ethyl in this manner, right? Ethyl will be added in this manner. Here this carbon, for this carbon, here the CH2, here it is a CH3. Then after that again ethyl iodide it is there, again ethyl iodide it is there. This ethyl, this CH3, it will go and attack this to the oxygen. It will go and attack to this oxygen, right? Now at the last they have given the Grignard's catalyst. Grignard's catalyst, we should get the which one? We should get the cis, right? We should get the cis. Now give the numbering and see the cis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons we are having. So here the one O, CH3, right? Now this is the 1 carbon. Now this is a 2 carbon. Now the 3 carbon, we are having the double bond, right? Next, this is the 4th carbon. Now this is the 5th carbon. Now this is the 6th carbon. Now this is the X. I hope the X is clear. I hope the X is clear, right? X1 is clear. I hope the X is clear for everyone. Now we'll go for the what are the reagents we are having? What are the reagents we are having? 2 moles of sodium amide, next Br2OH, H3O plus mild, H2 PDC and CrO3, right? Next one, this is the X. This is the X. Now we'll see for the Y. Now we'll see the Y. Now Y, what we are having? Triple bond, and here it is a H. Now this is a 1 carbon. Now this is a 1 carbon. Now this is a 1 carbon, and this is a 1 carbon. Now the first sodium equivalent, 1 equivalent, this is a 1 equivalent, NaNH2. Due to this one equivalent, now here it will, what you will get? Here you will get the Na here, Na plus, right? Now the second equivalent of the Na will be utilized to eliminate this, which one? To eliminate the bromine. Here the, what it will added? This acid base reaction it will do. This acid base reaction, what it will do? This O minus, it will go and attack to this bromine, and the bromine will be eliminated. Then what it will get? Now here the, what it will get? O minus Na plus, because another mole of the NaOH and this nucleophilic addition reaction I was did. Sorry, nucleophilic substitution reaction I did. Done. Then this is O minus, and here it is a Na plus. Next after that, what we are having? We are having the mild H3O plus. Due to that mild H3O plus, what it will happen? Now this Na plus, it will be eliminated. Again the acid will be regenerated. After regenerating the acid, what we are having? we are having the H2 PDC. H2 PDC, what it will do? It will convert into the alkane. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this is the OH, right? After getting the OH, last what we are having? CrO3. CrO3, what it will do? It will be converted into the ketone, right? It will be converted into the ketone. Now you see, this is the X. Now this is the Y. Now this is the Y. Now you say me the answer. My dear friends, now you say me the answer. Now base by using this one, now say me the answer. Options, okay. Now see the options. Now see the options and say me the answer. Or see the options and say me the answer. These options are clear? Should I enlarge the options, or is the options are clear? Answer is C. Good. Answer is C. C. Now, Y will give you the iodoform test, right? How the Y will give? Y will give the iodoform test, because main criteria to show the iodoform, it should have the CH3 C double bond O. So Y will show the iodoform, and both are having the functional isomers, because here we are having the ester, we are having the ether. Now here we are having the ether, and here we are having the which one? Here we are having the ketone. Here we are having the ketone. Here we are having the which one? OCH3. Both are having the different functional group, but same molecular formula, but different functional groups, right? So this X and Y are different functional group, and Y will give you the positive iodoform test. Good, everyone, good. And Y, and it will give the positive iodoform test. Answer is C. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Shall I go to the next question? Yes, right. This question is also one very interesting and the beautiful question. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Just see the question carefully and try to give the answer. Now, don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Just see the question carefully and try to give me the answer. My dear friend, this is multi answer question. I mean, more than one option. This is more than one option. More than one option question. My dear Shiva, something. My dear friend, sorry to say you that actually my Hindi was not that much fluency. My dear friend, my Hindi is not that much fluency. Sorry for it, but I can teach you in English. because I can talk, but in explaining the topic in Hindi, it is difficulty for me. I hope you can understand. Should I enlarge the options? Okay, I was enlarging the options. Right. Now, this is more than one option question. More than one option. What is the answer? What is the answer? This is more than one option. What is the answer? My dear friends, are you trying or not? This is one and more option. This is one and more option. One and more option. A and thing. Give me your final answer. My dear friend, you give me your final answer. I will explain whether your final answer is correct or not. Just you lock your answer and say me whether it is correct or not. Just you lock your answer. I will say whether it is a correct or not. Then after that I will give you the explanation. P and S. No. Give me in the options whether it is a, whether it is a B, or whether it is a C. A, C, D. A, C, D. A, C, D you are saying. Now the A, C, D is wrong. A, B, D is also wrong. Still any other options? P and S. What P and S? ACD and ABD are wrong. Those two are wrong. Should I explain? My dear friends, should I explain? Should I no, C, B, D is also. Only the A and C is correct. Only the A and C is correct. Only the A and C is correct. Now, see how the A and C is correct. Now, see how the A and C is correct. Now we'll see. Now this is a benzene. This is a benzene. For the benzene, now the first reaction we are having with the which one? With the O CH3, and we are having the AlCl3, right? Now in this AlCl3, this oxygen lone pair of electron will be given to this vacant orbital. Now when this oxygen lone pair of electron, when it is given to the vacant orbital, oxygen, what it will get? Oxygen will get the negative charge, sorry, positive charge, and here it will get the one carbocation, sorry, one positive charge it will get, one electrophile it will be generated, and here you will get the, to stabilize this one, it will get the positive charge. Now this positive charge, it will go and attack to the benzene. We know electrophilic addition reaction will, electrophilic substitution reaction will be happen. Now after the electrophilic substitution reaction it has happened, after the electrophilic substitution reaction it has happened, right? After the electrophilic substitution reaction, then we are having the ZnHg. This is a Clemmensen reduction, right? Now in this Clemmensen reduction, it will not, what, it will not reduce the carboxylic acid, only it will reduce the carbonyl compound. It will reduce only the carbonyl compound. Just it is reducing only the carbonyl compound. After the carbonyl compound, again we are having the AlCl3. Again we are having the AlCl3. Here the H it will be there. This H and OH it will be eliminated, and it will form the, one ketone group it will be there, one ketone group. Now again the zinc amalgam HCl, again the Clemmensen reduction. After the Clemmensen reduction, the hydrocarbon we will get in this manner. This is the one hydrocarbon we got, right? Now here this is a, which one? This is a P. Now this one is a Q. Here the AlCl3 they have given, right? OR also they have given. Oh yes, SOCl2 is there. One SOCl2 with the carboxylic acid, one SOCl2. Wait. Then after the P, ZnHg, you will get it as a, this one. Then AlCl3 it is there. Then after the carboxylic acid, this is a Q. Now Q upon thionyl chloride, it will become the acid chloride. Q upon the thionyl chloride, it will become the, which one? Acid chloride. It will become the acid chloride. This acid chloride again upon the AlCl3. Again upon the AlCl3. What it will get? You will get the one ketone here. This ketone upon ZnHg HCl will get this one. Now this is a Q. Now this is a R. Now this is a S. Now this is the last hydrocarbon. Now you see me. Now you see the option. First option, the compound P and Q are the carboxylic acid. See, P we are having the one carboxylic acid, and Q we are having the one carboxylic acid. So that is correct. Next one, next option he is saying S decolorizes the bromine water. Now is the S is decolorize the bromine water? S will not decolorize the bromine water. Yes, which is the S here? Now where is the S? Now this is the S. So now the S will not having any chance to decolorize, because there is no any what bromine water, it is not having a capacity to decolorize the, which one? Benzene. Okay. Now next one, last option, C option, what it is having? P and S reacts with the hydroxylamine to give the oxime. Yes, both are having the two carbonyl compounds, right? See, P and which one? P and the S. P and S are having a what? Carbonyl compound. This ketone, right? Ketone, this carbonyl compounds will be reacted with this respective ammonia derivative and to give the respective oxime. That is correct. Last one, R will reacts with the dialkyl cadmium to give the tertiary alcohol. My dear friends, Now R, when it has reacted, acid chloride when it has reacted with the dialkyl cadmium, it will give you the R only, it will give you the ketone. What it will happen, you know? With the R, what it will happen? Now this is the R, right? This is R. Acid chloride upon dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium, it will be converted into what? It will be converted into? It will be converted into the which one? Ketone only. So it will not convert into the alcohol. My dear friends, you have to be very careful with this one. Only the answer A and C. Only the answer A and C. I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope it is clear for everyone. Oh. Now, next question. Next question. What 2 moles? 2 moles to react aitadadi. Next question. This is also more than one option. More than one option. More than one option. More than one option. This is somewhat lengthy question only. This is more than one option, my dear friends. Each and every option you just cross check. Should I enlarge? Is the options and the reactions are clear? Is the options and the reactions are clear? Now this is option A. This is option A. This is option B. This is option C. This is option D. This is option D. Optically active one C9H12 they have given. C9H12 upon the PTH2. This one it will give you. And what is R is optically active. And Q is optically active acid. Optically active acid. Now what is the X reagent we are going to use? Okay. C option, it is for R. C option, it is for R. Okay. C option, it is for R, you are saying. But my dear friend, R is optically active, right? But this is optically inactive. R should be the optically active. My dear friend, R should be the optically active. R should be the optically active. C, you are saying that C is for R because P has only 9 carbons. Okay. So it is optically active, sir. Okay, fine. But what are the options you are locking? What are the options you are locking? What are the options you are locking? Okay, okay. Now I will see. Now what are the options you are giving the, whether it is correct or wrong, I will say you. But now you say me. First you say me whether the given answer. A and D, A, C, D. ACD. The answer you are giving it as a ACD. X is PDCl2 quinoline. Okay, D is correct. A you are saying A is wrong. My dear friend, A is wrong. A is wrong. A is wrong. Praneeth, you are saying A as A is having how many and C is having how many? Just once you cross check, just position you cross check, position among the A and B, just you cross check the position of the double bond. My dear friend, you once you cross check the B also, B in kuda chudu, B also you can cross check, and B, and you can cross check the once you can cross check the which one, you double bond position, you just cross check double bond position, you just cross check. And whatever the option they have given, once you see whatever the positions, whatever the double bonding positions they have given, you just cross check. Once you cross check, what is the difference between the A and B? A and B, what is the difference between the A and B? He is asking the Q should be the optically active acid. Optically active acid to get for you, how come with the A, how you got the optically active acid? My question is, you have to cross check the optically active acid Q also. With the option A, how you got the optically active acid? With the option A, how you got the optically active acid? My question. Should I explain or will you try? That only I am asking. So in the A and B, the different double bond positions are different. But with the A, how you got the optically active acid? I am asking. Did you got the optically active acid with A? Okay. Wait. Now I will explain from P to Q. P to Q you need, P to Q means, better I will explain total. Now you see, first one, if you take it as a P as the option B, P as the option B, right, this is a P, we are having C9H12. Now P9H12 in the presence of palladium and the carbon and the quinoline and H2, what it will do? This is a which one? Lindlar's catalyst. It will stop the reaction at the alkene stage. It will stop the reaction at the which stage? Alkene stage. Something it has missed. Oh, sorry. Something we have not seen. One carbon, extra carbon we have to put. Now, Okay. Right, one extra carbon, 1, 2, 3. Now here this is CH2 and this is a C double bond CH2. Clear? One more carbon. Yes, I kept. Now, then after that, here if it is a next one the H plus and the KMnO4 upon heating, if you tick upon KMnO4. Now what I said, this KMnO4, wherever may be the double bonds, you just it will be converted into the which one? It will be converted into carboxylic acids, right? You just break the double bonds here. Then you just cross check here. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now 1 will become the carboxylic acid. 1 will become the carboxylic acid, and here it is a 2, and here it is a 3, and here it is a 4, and 4, and here it is a 4 also, it will become the carboxylic acid. Here the 3 will become carboxylic acid, and here it is a 4, and here it is a 5, here it is a 6, here it is a 7, here it is a 6, and here it is a 7. 7 is also one carboxylic acid. Now you cross check, now count the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. One more carbon extra. Right? This is a carboxylic acid. Now you see. Now here this is the one chiral center. This is the one chiral center. I hope it is clear. Now this is the one chiral center. Is it clear? Now we'll go with the option A. Better we'll go with the option A. This is took the option B and I was explained for you. Now we'll go with the option A. We'll go with the option A. Option A, what we are having? Option A, I hope here we are having the double bondic position here, I think so. Now the double bondic position here only. In the option A, what we are having? Yes, this one. Now in the option A, if you take the PD, C and the quinoline, then it will be converted into the, here it will be the double bond, here it will be the CH2. Then after that, if you break the double bond, sorry, here it is not the benzene. Now if you break the double bond here this one will, this 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, and here it will be the, here it will become the carboxylic acids, because KMnO4, right, strong KMnO, strong oxidizing agent, it will convert into the carboxylic acid, right? Now the 7 carbons. Now we'll see. First carbon will become carboxylic acid. Now second carbon. This is the second carbon. Now this is the third carbon. Now the fourth carbon. Now here the one carboxylic acid. Now the fourth carbon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon, 1 carboxylic acid. Now you could see here it is a H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 carbons, here 3 carbons. So A and B, both A, B also we are getting. My dear friend, with the B also you are getting. But with the A, is this formula is satisfying? With the A, the formula is satisfying? With the A, the formula is satisfying or not? What? The wrong I took. Correct only, right? Position. Where I took the wrong? Where I took the wrong in the position? Which position I took the wrong? Um, where I took the wrong? Now you see here, this is only right option A with this is with the option B. The option B we got this one. Here this is optically active. Option A reaction second step. This is option A only, right? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now with the option D, with the option D reagent, what it will get? Here it will get the CH2. Here will get the double bond. Right. Okay, fine. I got it. And now here it will become, yes. Here 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, now this is 6. Right. I got it. Now the first one is a carboxylic acid. Now second one is a carbon. Third one, this is a third carbon. Now third carbon, again here the carbon, again here the fourth, here the carboxylic acid, again here the fourth carbon, again here the fifth carbon, again the sixth, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is the 6, again the carboxylic acid. Now we getting the optically active with the option A? With the option A, are you getting the optically active? Here 1, 2. Now if you take, here it is a 3. Now here you are getting 1, 2, again carboxylic acid. Here the 1, 2, 3. Here, but here you can see 1, 2, both groups are same, right? These both groups are same here. Then how come the option A is correct? With the option B we are getting the optically active, but with the option A we are not getting the optically active, right? So the answer, what is the answer? But C is not the answer, my dear friend. The answer is only B and D. Answer is only B and D. C also not the answer. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. C also it will not give you. C also you will not get. Answer is B and D. You have to cross check each and every option. That what I am saying you. In the advanced level questions, the concept you know, but some tricky will be there. That trickiness you have to catch it. That's it. Only by changing of the position of the double bond, the optically activity and optically isomerism it is changing. Due to that question answer itself it is good. Totally it is getting changed. I hope it is clear for everyone. Right. We'll move to the next question. This is also multi-correct. Multi-correct answer. What is the multi-correct answer? Now this is also one multi-correct answer. Try to give me the answer. Multi-correct answer. What is the answer? My dear friends, what is the answer you got? What is the answer you got? He is asking which of the following reaction produce propane as a major product? Propane as a major product. A, B, C. My dear friends, this is a coal-based electrolysis. In the coal-based electrolysis, how come you will get the propane, Nana? In the coal-based electrolysis, how come you will get the propane? My dear friend, in the coal-based electrolysis, you will get it, the reaction is the hexane. He is asking only the propane. That's the reason I was saying don't be in hurry to give the answer. This is coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based electrolysis, you will get the hexane, not the propane. Now this is a decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation reaction, you will get the propane, right? Then this is a metal in the presence of dilute HCl. Here also you will get the propane. Then here the zinc, you will not get the D, you will not get the propane. Here what it will happen? Zn in the presence of dialkali halide, you will get the alkene. Propene. Alkene you will get. So the only A and C. Only the A and C is correct. No, not B. B is coal-based electrolysis. B will give you the hexane, not propane. According to the question, he is asking only the propane. Only the A and C will give you the answer. Only the A and C will give you the answer. This is also one beautiful question. Now try to say me the answer. Which among the following? Now, which among the following? No, only A and C is correct. Only A and C is correct. B is giving hexane. B is giving hexane. Now, among the following conformation that correspond to the most stable conformation of mesobutane 2,3 diol. Mesobutane 2,3 diol. This is also one beautiful question. This is also one beautiful question. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer? My dear friends, what is the answer for this question? These the options are clear for you? Should I enlarge the options? Should I enlarge the options? Or is it clear? He is asking stable. My dear friends, he is asking most stable conformer. Most stable conformer is asking. My dear friend, this is complete organic questions. There is no any one special chapter. This is complete organic questions. Shivam. No. Answer is not D. D option is wrong. D option is wrong. D option is wrong. Option D is wrong. What is the answer? What is the answer? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. My dear friend, you can see in the option A and option A and option B, minimum repulsion, right? Minimum. You can see in the option B. In the option B, here it is a M, here it is a OH, here it is a H. Now here it is a Me. Now here it is a OH. Now due to that it will form the hydrogen bonding. It will form the hydrogen bonding, and this methyl and methyl are free from the repulsion. This methyl and methyl are free from the repulsion, right? Methyl and methyl are free from the repulsion. In the option A, option A and in the option C, methyl and methyl repulsions are there, right? Most stable is asking. So here also hydrogen bonding, here also hydrogen bonding is there, here also hydrogen bonding is there. But here the hydrogen bonding is not there, so first we can eliminate this one. Then after that, here the methyl-methyl repulsion, here the methyl-methyl repulsion, here the hydrogen bonding plus methyl-methyl repulsions are free. So option B is correct. I hope clear. I hope it is clear for you. My dear friends, it is easy clear for everyone. Easy clear for everyone. Clear? Done? Should I move? This is also one very good question. Each and every option you have to cross check and try to say me the answer. Each and every option you just cross check and say me the answer. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Each and every option you just cross check and say me the answer. We did in class. This we did in class. Okay, then try to say me the answer. Then my dear friend, just try to say me the answer. Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? Single correct only. It is not multi-correct, it is single correct only. Single correct only, not multi-correct. That's what I am saying. It is single correct question. It is single correct, not multi-correct, single correct. Single correct question. My dear, how come the R will undergo the Cannizzaro reaction? How come the R will undergo Cannizzaro reaction? Do you know what is the R? Do you know what is the R? What the R will give? Now, better I will go with all the options. Better I will go with all the options. Then you will get to know. Now, what is the answer? Now, what is the answer? You will get to know. Now, we'll see. First one is the, here it is a Cl and the magnesium dry ether they have given. Magnesium dry ether, it will become the what? It will become the Grignard reagent. It will become the Grignard reagent. After the Grignard reagent, when it has reacted with the H2O, it will become the what? 2-methyl propane. And here the magnesium hydroxychloride we will get. This is about the which one? This is about option A. Then next one, let's suppose this is P. This is P. Next one will go for the R. Now how the R will give you? Now we'll see. Now in the R, right? R is also same, right? R is also same. Now in the R, we are having what? Magnesium dry ether. Magnesium dry ether. In this magnesium and the dry ether, same will get the Grignard reagent. Same Grignard reagent will get. After getting the Grignard reagent, then here after it is becoming the Grignard reagent, then what we are having? Here we are having the CO2. CO2 na? What we have taken? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde H2O. We are having the formaldehyde and the H2O. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Sorry, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde and this is acetaldehyde. Then if it is a acetaldehyde, this is a negative charge. Now this is a positive charge. This negative charge, it will go and attack. What it will get? Here it will get the CH3. Here it will become the COH. And here it is a H. Here it will become the CH2. Then after that, here the CH3. And here it of the CH3. Then after that, any other reaction? Then after that, CrO3. What? CrO3. Now this CrO3, what it will do? The CrO3, it will be converted into the which one? Carboxylic acid. Now this CrO3, what it will do? It will be converted into the carboxylic acid, right? That it will go. It will be converted, sorry, it will be CrO3. Now which one? 2-degree alcohol, it will be converted into ketone. Will the ketone will undergo Cannizzaro reaction, my dear? My dear, will the Q will undergo Cannizzaro? Will the Q will undergo Cannizzaro? This is A. Now Q will undergoes, what is saying? So this is R. Sorry, this is R, not Q. This is R. Now how come the R will undergo Cannizzaro? R will not undergo Cannizzaro. Now you can see here option B is correct. Here the Q undergoes coal-based electrolysis to give the 8 carbon product. Then answer is only B. Then you can cross check for the B. If you cross check for the B, or if you cross check for the Q, then it will give you the 8 carbon coal based electrolysis, right? 2 moles you have to consider and you have to solve. 2 moles you have to consider and you have to solve. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. So only the option which one? B is correct, right? Right. Next question, should I move to the next question? Now which among the following SN2 reaction very fastly? Which among the following will undergo SN2 reaction very fastly is asking. Which among the following will undergo SN2 reaction very fastly? Which among the following will undergo SN2 reaction very fastly? Which among the following will undergo SN2 reaction very fastly? Order you give me. Order you give me. Order you give me. Yes, among the P, Q, R, S. Order you give me. Order you have to give me. Order you have to give me. Yes, order you have to give me. Order only I was asking. What is the answer? K acetone undergoes SN2 reaction with each PQRS, then the rate of reaction varies as. Which among the following will undergo SN2 reaction very fastly, Nana? S greater than, P greater than, R greater than Q. Good, Anupriya, good. See, this one is a acid chloride. Now here this bond carbon and this more carbonyl groups are there. No, S is more. In the SN2 rate of the SN2 reaction will be happen very fastly, because due to the presence of this electron withdrawing group, this carbon bond strength will be very weak. Due to this carbon bond strength weak, the SN2 reaction will be happen very fastly than the primary carbocation. So the answer is S greater than, P greater than, R greater than Q. Now this is the answer. S greater than, P greater than. You may think that here the primary carbocations are, it should be happen fast, but here due to the presence of this carbonyl carbon, due to the presence of minus I effect, very fastly it will be strengthened. What it will happen? It will make this carbon bond weak. Very fastly the nucleophile will be attacked. Now the good leaving group will be leave. So S greater than, P greater than, R greater than Q. Good, my dear friends, good. Everyone good. Anupriya, Praneeth and Divyansh, good, Nana, good. You are giving the answers, good. This is also one very good question. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. I hope the options are clear. I hope the options are clear for you. Is the options are clear for you? Answer A. Directly we can say. Directly by seeing the question itself we can say. Answer is A. Yes, because here he has given the dimethyl formamide, dimethyl DMF. DMF is a polar aprotic solvent. Polar aprotic solvent. In the polar aprotic solvent, now favorable for the SN2 reaction. In the SN2 reaction, inversion takes place. SN2 reaction, inversion takes place. Now in the SN2 reaction is here it is in the wedge notation. Only the dotted notation we are seeing in the A. All are having the wedge notation. So the answer is A. Only the dotted notation we can see in the A. Okay, good. My dear friends, this is very interesting question. This is multi-correct. Check the options carefully and try to give the answer. Okay, don't be in hurry to give the answer. Check the each and every option carefully and try to give the answer. Good Divyans, good. Good Nana, good. Now what is the answer? I hope the picture is clear. I hope the question is clear. I hope it is clear. He is asking in a Newman projection among the P, Q, R, S which are identical to each other. My dear friend, you are from 10th. Okay. Now be focused to the class. If you understand, well and good. If not, also it is well and good. You can focus to the class. My dear friend, the option, better I will delete this option. Now he is asking among the P, Q, R, S, which among the following, no, single correct only. Here the options are there. You can see. You can see the option. Options is saying that, okay, better I will delete the option. Now you see, which among the following are identical? Now say me the answer. Which among the following are identical? Which among the following are identical? He is asking identical. I will write the options here. Better you will have some idea. Which of the following are identical is asking. Which of the following are identical to each other? A. You are saying P, A option is P and Q are identical. B option is Q and S are identical. C option is Q and R are identical. D option is R and S are identical. Pranit, what is your answer? Answer you are saying it as A. My dear friend, once again you just cross check and say me the answer. Just you see the IUPAC name, that's it. Just you see the IUPAC name Now if the IUPAC names are same, it is identical, that's it. If the IUPAC names are same, identical. If the IUPAC names are different, it is not identical. Just you cross check the whether the given species IUPACs are same or different. P and R. No. You got the P and R. No, the answer is C and S. Answer is C and S is the correct. C and S is the identical. C and S are identical to each other. Now, how the C and S are identical to each other? Now you see. See in the option 1, this is CH3, right? Now in the Newman projection, now which it is in the, here you can see how to write the Newman projection. This is C2H5, right? Now this is a C2H5, right? Now here the next option what we are having, here it is a OH, CH3, CH3. Here it is a OH, this is CH3 and CH3. Now if you want to write this one in the straight chain, here this carbon, I wrote it this carbon. Now this is a CH3, I wrote this CH3 here. Now this second CH3, here it is a second CH3. Now this is a ethyl, okay, this is ethyl. Next this rare carbon, now this rare carbon will be this line, okay, rare carbon. Now the answer is C. Yes, good. Answer is Q and R. Yes, Q and R is correct. Now I was explaining the each and every option. Listen carefully. Then after that, this is a rare carbon. Rare carbon, we are having this one OH. I was writing here the one OH. Now here we are having the one methyl. Next one, when we are having the ethyl. Now just you give me the IUPAC. IUPAC, how to give the IUPAC? 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, now this is 5 and this is 6. Now the IUPAC name what you will get? Now what is the IUPAC name you will get for the A? Now for the option P, what is the IUPAC name you will get? 2, 3, 3 trimethyl pentane 2-ol you got. Okay. Now this is P. Now we'll go for the Q. Now we'll go for the Q. Now if you go for the Q, now what is the Q here? Now this is the front carbon. Now the front carbon we are having the 2 methyls and one OH. Right, here it is a H. Here it is a C2H5. Right, and the second carbon we are having this is a H. Here it is a H and here it is a CH3. Now just now I said you how to write the rare carbon. Now the rare carbon, this is the first carbon. Sorry, this is the front carbon. Front carbon you just to keep it as a dot. Then after that you go it for this one. Now here we are having the 2 methyls and one OH. Right, then after that we are having the ethyl here. This is C2H5. Now here it is a hydrogen. Hydrogen I was not representing. Don't get confused. Then after that this is a rare carbon. This is a rare carbon. Rare carbon will be represented in this manner. Then after that here we are having only CH3. Clear? Now what is the IUPAC name of this Q? What is the IUPAC name of this Q? Now the IUPAC name of this Q will be, now write the IUPAC name. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the IUPAC name of this one will become 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, pentane, 2-ol, pentane, 2-ol. This one, which one you got? Q you got. Next one, R. Next one will go for the R. R if you go, now here it is a CH3, here it is a OH, here it is a CH3, now here it is a H, here it is a C2H5, right, again here it is also one C2H5. right? Now write front carbon and one CH3, and here is a one OH, and here it is a CH3. Now this is a rare carbon, this rare carbon, here this is a rare carbon. Rare carbon we are having the one ethyl, here this is one ethyl. Next one we are having the one methyl, here it is a one methyl. Now you see, this is one carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, here also we got the same, right? Now 3 ethyl. Now second position, anything we got miss, rare carbon. Oh, rare carbon, here also one ethyl, sorry. Here it is ethyl. C2H5CH3, right? Then here also we got the 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane, 2 ol. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for you. Now you can see this is a R. Now this is a Q. Now this is a P. Now S you can try. Once you try the S and say me the IUPAC name of the S. My dear friends, now what is the IUPAC name of the S, you say me now? I was explained the Q and R, right? P, Q, R I explained. Now you say me the what is the S IUPAC name? What is the S IUPAC name? You just try and say me the answer. Harshit Reddy, good Nana, good. You have given the answer. Now what is the IUPAC name of the S? Can anyone say me? What is the IUPAC name of the S? Three comma 4 comma 4 trimethyl. No, S1 you are, yes, for the S option you are saying. For which one you are saying? 3 comma 3 comma. Now I was asking yes. Yes option, IUPAC name 2 methyl, 3 ethyl, pentane, 3 ol. My dear friend, you just I think you forgot the IUPAC, I think so. You are not giving the correct IUPAC name. You are not giving the correct IUPAC name. My dear friend, once again you cross check the IUPAC name. Is the alphabetical order it is correct? In the alphabetical order is it correct? In the alphabetical order is it correct? Three. No, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane, 3 ol is correct. 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane, 3 ol is correct. Good. 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane, 2 ol is correct. Right. So in that manner you have to cross check. So the option Q and R is correct. Option Q and R is correct. I hope it is clear. Oh my dear friends, a number of questions we are having. Almost it is. Be fast, my dear friends. Be fast. Now we are having the n number of questions. Now you say me statement 1 and statement 2. Be fast, my dear friend. Be fast. Okay. Now statement 1. Bromobenzene upon reaction with BRFE gives 1,4 dibromobenzene as a major product. Statement 2. In the bromobenzene, the inductive effect of the bromine group is more dominating than the mesomeric effect in directing the incoming electrophile. What is the answer? What is the answer you got? What is the answer you got? Yena. My dear friend, once again you cross check. అరే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్లియర్గా చూడు ప్రణీత్, ఆప్షన్స్ క్లియర్గా చూడు, స్టేట్మెంట్ని క్లియర్గా చదువు, స్టేట్మెంట్ని క్లియర్గా చదువు. ఆప్షన్ సి, ఆప్షన్ సి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ చూడనా, వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద బ్రోమోబెంజీన్ ఇండక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ బ్రోమో గ్రూప్ ఈస్ మోర్ డామినేట్ అంట టు గివ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్. కరెక్టా? అది కరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంటా? ఓకే. బ్రోమోబెంజీన్ అపాన్, దిస్ ఈస్ బ్రోమోబెంజీన్, బ్రోమోబెంజీన్ అపాన్ Br2 Fe తీసుకుంటే నౌ 1,4 ఆర్ ఏమిచ్చింది క్వశ్చన్లో, 1,4 డైబ్రోమో అరే మైనస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్ట్ డామినేటింగ్ అనా? ఓకే, బ్రోమిన్ కి మైనస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఈస్ డామినేటింగ్ దాన్ ద ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, కానీ ఈజ్ ద మైనస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఈస్ మోర్ డామినేటింగ్ టు ఫర్ ద ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్. మరి బ్రోమిన్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్ చూపెట్టాలంటే మైనస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ డామినేట్ చేస్తుందా, మెసోమెరిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్ డామినేట్ చేస్తుందా? బ్రోమిన్కి నార్మల్గా సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్గా యాక్ట్ అయితే దానికి బిఆర్ మైనస్ అయ్యే చూపెడుతుంది. మరి ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ ఆర్థో పొజిషన్లో పారా పొజిషన్లో నీకు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ పెరగాలంటే ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్టే కదా డామినేటింగ్, మైనస్ ఐ ఎట్లా డామినేటింగ్ అవుతుంది? ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్టే కదా డామినేటింగ్. ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ డామినేటింగ్, రైట్? హౌ కమ్ ద మైనస్ ఐ? కానీ ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చిండో, in the bromobenzene the inductive effect of the bromo group is more dominating than the mesomeric effect అన్నాడు. నీకు ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ ఆ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ జరగాలి అని అంటే బెంజిన్ మీద పక్క ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్ షుడ్ బి డామినేట్ కదా. ప్లస్ ఎం ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డామినేటింగ్ ఓన్లీ దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి హ్యాపెన్. సో ఆప్షన్ సి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. క్లియరా? ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. ఈజ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్? Clear, my dear friends? Is this concept is clear? Clear? Still you are having any confusion? This type of the questions only they will make you. Is the concept is clear? What I am saying, if the bromine is the central group but electrophilic addition to happen, its plus m effect only will be now one thing you say me, nitrobenzene upon CH3Cl or Fe. If suppose if they again there the no reaction will be happen due to the minus m, due to the strong minus m group. So this is one this is your last year advanced question, I mean 2025 advanced question. This is your 2025 advanced question. Now try to send me the answer. Frenkel reaction, Schwarz reaction, Frenkel reaction and the Schwarz reaction. This is your 2025 question, 2025 recently 2025 advanced question. MCQ, this is multi correct answer. Multi correct answer. This is multi correct answer. See the options carefully and try to give me the answer. What is the answer? If you don't know, you can ask me. I am ready to explain. Option B. Option B. No, only the option B is correct. No, it is not the option D. Only the option B is correct. Now you see. My dear friend, this is a first one. First one is a cyclohexene. Cyclohexene upon HBr. Cyclohexene upon HBr will get the 1-bromocyclohexane. Okay, 1-bromocyclohexane upon 1-bromocyclohexane. This is P. This is P upon Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. What is the reagents we will use? NaI, sodium iodide, in the presence of acetone. In the presence of acetone. This is the Franklin reaction. In this Franklin reaction, what it will get? 1-iodocyclohexane. This is a which one? Q. Then this P upon Schwarz reaction. Now this is a Schwarz reaction. Now this Schwarz reaction, what we are having? Alkali halide upon which one? AgF. Silver fluoride. Then what you will get? You will get the 1-fluorocyclohexane. This is R. This is R. Now you write the PQR in the one place. Yes. Now the P is bromo, right? And Q is iodo. Q is iodo. Now R is fluoro. Right? Now we know as the electronegativity increases, now carbon and halogen bond length will be decreases, right? Carbon and halogen bond length will be decreases. What is asking the options? Now CX bond length, bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy means bond strength. Means as the electronegativity increases, bond strength increases. Bond strength increases. Means R is having the higher bond strength, then P, then Q. Now as the electronegativity increases, CX bond length increases, bond strength increases. Bond strength increases means bond enthalpy, obviously it will be increased. Right, next one, what you are having? pK value of conjugate acids of the leaving groups, PQR. See, leaving group order will be Q greater than P greater than R, right? They have given R greater than Q greater than P. See, leaving group ability is asking. Leaving group ability Q greater than P greater than R, right? How come the D? I hope it is clear. So only the option B is correct. Only the option B is correct. Now, SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction order also same. SN2 reaction order also Q greater than P greater than R. But they are given P greater than R greater than R. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. SN2 reaction is order is also same. Good leaving group order is also same. I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope it is clear for everyone. Right, next question. Multiple correct. This is a one multiple correct question. This is a one multiple correct question, Anna. See the options carefully and try to give the answer. See the options carefully and try to give the answer. Multi correct answer. See the options carefully and try to give the answer. What is asking? Upon hydrogenation, these compounds A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D upon hydrogenations, what it will give? Now, which among the following will give you the optically active? What is asking? Optically active or optically inactive? Which among the which of the following upon hydrogenation? Only D. This is multi correct answer, Nana. Multi correct. This is multi correct. Yes, B and D. B and D both will give you the, here if this bond, if it is eliminated, both side it is become ethyl. Here also if this bond it is given, both side become ethyl. So B and D will become optically inactive. Same ethyl, right? That's good. Right, this is the one very important. Now send me the answer. Now, which of the following carbocation that is most likely to migrate the positive charged carbon? Here, which of the following carbocation H or CH3 that is most likely to migrate? From where to where? From where to where? Hydrogen will migrate, or methyl group will be migrate, or from where which carbon to which carbon it will be migrate? From which carbon to which carbon it will give? 3 to 2. Hydrogen will be how come 3 to 2? How come, Pranit, how come the 3 to 2 will be given? No, the hydrate transfer. Okay, hydrate transfer will be happened, but actually the hydrate will be from 2 to 3, not 3 to 2. Hydrate transfer will be happen from the 2 to 3. So if it is hydrate transfer, if it is happen from the 2 to 3, now here the carbon you will get it as a positive charge. and here it is a OH. Here it will get the CH2. Then here you will get the two methyl groups. Two methyl groups you will get it here. Right, here the due to the presence of the plus M group, but the hydride transfer is from the 2 to 3, not from the 3 to 2. 2 is not having any chance of the there is no any chance to accept that hydride. Okay, fine. Hydride transfer will be from the 2 to 3 and you will get the 4, and due to this plus M group it is more stable, right? Last, next one, this one. Be fast, Nana. My dear aspirant, sorry to say you that actually my Hindi is not that much fluency. So due to that I was not able to teach you in Hindi. Okay. Now this is order you have to say me. Correct resonating structure order. Correct resonating structure order. Correct resonating structure order you have to say me. Correct resonating structure order. Correct resonating structure order. I hope aspirant you can adjust in English. Now correct resonating structure is asking. Correct resonating structure order. 1 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 4. Yes, 1 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 4. Right. More electronegative atom bearing the positive charge is unstable. Right. This acidic strength order. Acidic strength order. Acidic strength order. Yes. 3 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than 1. Yes, correct. This is one interesting question. Now same. IUPAC. This is one interesting question about the IUPAC. Okay, Divyansh, good. What is the answer? IUPAC. Good. Answer is Ramesh, good. Praneeth, good. Answer. See, cyanide, functional group. No. Answer is B only. According to the functional group priority order, cyanide is more priority than the OH, right? So this one will be the benzonitrile. Now the functional group should be given the high priority 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go in this manner, it will get the 3 and it will get the, according to the sum rule, you will get the 3 and 6. It is 9. According to the sum rule, it is getting the 2 and 5. Locant sum rule should be followed, right? Locant sum rule will be followed. So 2-bromo 5-hydroxy benzonitrile is correct. So the B is correct. Stability order of the carbocation. 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 One, three, two, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Yes, because here the plus M effect as well as plus I effect. Here only the plus M effect and the plus H effect we are having the 6 alpha hydrogens. Here we are having the 3 alpha hydrogens. Just here we are having only the 5 alpha hydrogens. Here we are having only the 2 alpha hydrogens. So 1 greater than 3 greater than 3 greater than 2 greater than 4. Right. This one. Hyperconjugation is happening from. Hyperconjugation involves the overlapping of the following orbitals. Overlapping of hyperconjugation involves the overlapping of the following orbitals. Hyperconjugation involves overlapping of the following orbitals. What is the answer? What is the answer? Hyperconjugation involves sigma to pi, sigma to p. Now my dear friends, now I was ending the live up to here. Now tomorrow we'll see the questions on the basis of which one? Alcohols, carboxylic acid, amines and the biomolecules. Okay, alcohols, carboxylic acid, amines and the biomolecules questions we'll see. And Friday complete organic chemistry we are going to see. Okay, now, okay my dear friends, see you tomorrow. Bye, good night. I hope it is 11:30. Now have a good sleep. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Anyone are having any concern? Anyone are having any concerns? Anyone, anything they want to ask? No, right? Okay, good night, good night. Good night everyone. Bye.